Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with safety. Unplug everything and wait 30 seconds before touching connectors. This avoids shorts and residual charge. Next, inspect the MagSafe or USB-C tip closely for bent pins, fraying, melted insulation, or dirt. These issues explain most failures. Use a flashlight and magnifier if needed. Once done, separate the brick from the cable and orient parts for testing. If you have a multimeter and replacement tip available, make sure they're ready. You'll use them in the next steps to verify voltage and continuity. You'll measure the charger under no load first. Set the multimeter to the correct DC range and probe the connector to confirm expected voltage. If voltage is present at the brick's output but not at the tip, you likely have a cable break. Next, perform a continuity test along the cable while gently bending it. This finds intermittent faults that appear under motion. If the brick shows no output, test the AC input and internal fuse if you can access it safely. Otherwise, the brick is likely the failed component and needs replacement. You can splice a frayed cable by cutting away damaged insulation, tinning conductors, soldering, and covering with heat shrink. Make sure you match polarity and insulation layers. Incorrect wiring will damage the Mac. Once repaired, verify with the multimeter and then connect under a light load, monitoring temperature and charging behavior. If problems persist, try a known good charger to isolate the laptop versus charger. If a replacement tip or brick fixed it, make sure to dispose of the old unit safely and avoid powering a damaged.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.